Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you watch your Netflix on your Spectrum cable box. So here's your app casting and alternatives. Step 1, you need to open the Spectrum app menu, turn on your television and your Spectrum receiver box. Press the physical menu or home button on a Spectrum remote control. Scroll through the main on-screen dashboard and highlight the Apps or Applications tab. Step 2. Launch the Netflix application. Use the directional arrow pad on your remote to navigate the app marketplace directory. Highlight the official Netflix app icon and press the OK or the select button. Alternative shortcut is you can also type channel number 1002 or 2001 directly into your remote keypad to bypass the menu. Step 3. Initiate the secure account sign in. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds for the native Netflix landing interface to finish loading on your screen. Navigate to the top right corner of the TV screen and select the Sign In button. Choose whether you want to log in using an on-screen keyboard or via a secondary mobile device. Step 4. Sync your account using a smartphone. Open the built-in camera app on your smartphone or tablet. Point your camera directly at the custom QR code displayed on your television screen. Tap the secure verification link that automatically pops up on your mobile device. Step 5. Verify your credentials and profile. Log into the Netflix app on your phone if prompted, or verify that the numeric pin on your phone matches the TV screen. Alternatively, use your Spectrum remote keypad to manually type in your primary Netflix account email and password. Select your individual user profile icon from the matrix layout to load your custom watch list. Step 6. Select your video and adjust your streaming quality. Browse the home grid or use the magnifying glass tool to search for a specific movie or television show. Press OK on your choice and then navigate to the audio or subtitles to set your language tracking preferences. Hit the play button to begin streaming your high definition video playbacks smoothly through your cable box. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.